Hello, my name is Jairo Jesus Kawamari and I am 22 years old. From Monday to Friday in the morning, I get up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth, get dressed, and have breakfast. After that, I take class at an university. In the afternoon, I have lunch and continue my class. Later, I do my homework and study for my courses. In the evening, I spend some time with my family and watch TV. Sometimes I use my computer or my phone to relax. Finally, I brush my teeth and go to bed at about 10 p.m. That is my daily routine from Monday to Friday. Thanks you're listening.